friends to Tasneem's Tadka. I'm Mrs. Tasneem Shahani. Today we'll be preparing a very fast, simple, easy to cook dish called chicken hariyali. So let's check out the ingredients. The chicken had been marinated with ginger garlic paste, green chillis, salt, and then I have boiled it at least for 7 to 8 minutes, or you can pressure cook it for 1 or 2 whistles with slices of onions and tomatoes. This is the green chutney which I have made by grinding coconut, coriander, mint, a little bit of cumin seeds, there's salt, there's green chilies, and if you get raw mangoes, otherwise you can substitute it with a little bit of tamarind. Cumin seeds, a little bit of cashew powder. In case you don't have cashew powder, you can substitute it with almond powder, salt, a little bit of tomato ketchup, and refined oil. So let's start cooking. Heat a pan and then add oil. Once the oil gets hot, add a little bit of cumin seeds. Once they start crackling, add the green chutney. Once you've mixed up the chutney, we can add a little bit of the cashew or the almond powder. I've taken cashew powder. Even if you do not have cashews, almonds, you can even make peanut powder. Then you can add a little bit of tomato ketchup. Go a little slow on the tomato ketchup as you already have tamarind in your chutney and you also have tomatoes in your chicken broth. Cook it for 2-3 minutes, and once the oil separates, we add the boiled chicken mixture. Add the chicken pieces first and add the broth a little later. Mix it all up. Depending on what you're going to eat the chicken with, you can just manage the consistency. So if you're going to have it with rice, you can make it a little thin, or if you're going to have it with parathas, you can make it a little thick. So depending on that, add the broth. As the chicken is already parboiled, you do not need to cook it for a long time. So just cover the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. It's been nearly 5 to 8 minutes. So now just let's check whether the chicken is done. Fast, simple and easy, your chicken hariyali is ready to be served. With fresh coriander, and your chicken hariyali is ready to be served with parathas or steamed rice. Do not forget to like and subscribe to Tasneem's Tadka for a new recipe every Thursday. See you guys!